What's up, guys? Coach B Rob here. Today I'm going to discuss what is Elevate to Great and 3 things that you can expect from this Elevate to Great playlist on This Is B Rob YouTube channel. Let's jump right in. So I know some of you guys who come here for supplement reviews and tips for muscle building and things of that nature may be thrown off by my release of this Elevate to Great series. But the truth of the matter is that the material that I've been putting up on this YouTube channel is really not even half of what I'm involved in or what I do. Some of you may know that I host a podcast called Elevate to Great, which is on episode 100 at the time of recording this video. And I'm a purpose and confidence coach with a pretty successful practice. I also coach others who want to be coaches. And the reason I do this is because I had a calling on my life many years ago to help people in this way. Now, I chase different things and I put focus on those things that never fulfilled me, which is why I'm even more passionate about helping others like you with your purpose and confidence. But what does all that I'm saying now have to do with you, right? So Martin Luther King is quoted as saying, everybody can be great because anybody can serve. You don't have to have a college degree to serve. You don't have to make your subject and verb agree to serve. You only need a heart full of grace, a soul generated by love. So this quote, to add it to the strong calling that I felt in my life several years ago, plus the way I'm built, led me to trying to figure out how can I help people figure out what they were made to do, their purpose. So my vision for this Elevate to Great playlist on YouTube, just like the podcast, is to be the #1 place you go to because it, 1, inspires you to find your positive purpose so that you will serve others in that way. 2, that it motivates you to embrace your passion inside of that purpose. And 3, it challenges you to focus on what drives you to chase that purpose and keep that passion. Now, my mission is to give you constant content that relates to your personal development challenges in your life so that you have a source that you can depend on and that you're taking actionable steps to live out your life of greatness. And that's it. So feel free to comment below, ask any questions that you may have, and stay tuned for more videos geared towards helping you move forward. And before I go, follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob. Check out my website at thisisbrob.com. Check me out on Etsy. I have an Etsy shop called Elevate to Great, and the link is in the description to that shop. And make sure that you please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is B Rob.